Exercise 7.2, question number 10. If A, B, C are P, Q and rth terms of an AP, find the value of given 3 by 3 determinant. Given that A which is equal to TP, B which is equal to TQ and C which is equal to TR. We know that in AP arithmetic progression term formula Tn which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is first term and D is common difference. So we can write A which is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. B which is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. C is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. Let delta which is equal to given 3 by 3 determinant. The value of ABC is replaced as delta which is equal to determinant of A as A plus P into D, PD minus 1 into D minus D. Similarly, we can write B as A plus QD minus D, C as A plus RD minus D. And in second row, the elements P, Q, R is there, but here PD, QD and RD. So solving purpose kaga second row D ala multiply panni divide pannirunga. So second row D ala multiply pannunga PD, QD, RD. So 1 divided by D divide பண்ணிட்டோம். And third row D ala multiply panni divide பண்ணிருங்க. So divide பண்ணீங்கன்னா 1 into D, D, 1 into D, D, 1 into D, D. So D ala divide பண்ணிருங்க. Which is equal to 1 divided by D square. So நம்ம solving purpose காக தான் எழுதணும். பாருங்க இங்க PD, PD minus D plus D அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. So we can write R1 as R1 minus R2 because PD, PD, QD, QD, RD, RD are same sign. Minus D plus D, minus D plus D, minus D plus D different sign. So R1 minus R2 plus R3. R1 can be written as R1 minus R2 plus R3. So இதனை subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா PD, PD getting cancelled. இதனை add பண்ணீங்கன்னா minus D plus D getting cancelled, remaining A. Similarly, QD minus QD getting cancelled, minus D plus D getting cancelled, remaining A. RD minus RD getting cancelled, minus D plus D getting cancelled, remaining A. Second row as usual PD, QD, RD, third row D, 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 which is equal to divided by D square. In first row, A is the common element, so take outside as A and remaining 1, 1, 1. Second row, D is common element, so take outside D, remaining P, Q, R, D. In third row, D is also common element, so take outside T, remaining 1, 1, 1. Here D squared and D into D getting cancelled, remaining A into 0. Here R1 is identical to R3. A into 0 is 0, therefore delta which is equal to 0. Therefore the value of A, determinant of ABC, PQR 1, 1, 1 which is equal to 0. A is TP, B is TQ and C is TR.